Today in front of me SONY XPERIA Pro-I, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that you should click here on the network and internet. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher, and here you will see all of the available networks. For example, we can go with this one. Just enter here the network password. In my case, that's from 1 to 8. Just to show the password, click once on the checkbox and to see to have no sound mistake, and then click here to connect. And as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network. And if you want to, sure, you can just disconnect with this network, or just to forget the password and select the another network here. And just to turn off the Wi-Fi, click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that, just by click once on this eye icon in notification panel, and here to activate and launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon. You will launch the Wi-Fi settings. By the same way, you can select one from these available networks. And just to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.